Hello, now we are going to reveal what animal is inside the colored circle. So let's get started. Red. Let's find out what animal is in red. Monkey. This is monkey. Let's spin it again. Purple. Let's find out what animal is in purple. Cat. This is cat. Let's spin it again. Orange. Let's find out what animal is in orange circle. Duck. This is duck. Let's spin it again. Yellow. Let's find out what animal is in yellow. Chicken. This is chicken. Let's spin it again. Green. Let's find out what animal is in green. Cow. This is cow. Let's spin it again. The last color is blue. Let's find out what animal is in blue circle. Gecko. The last animal we have revealed is gecko. Of the animals that we have seen and heard of, which animal did you know about and which animal did you like the most? Watch more videos here, give a like, share and don't forget to subscribe for more video updates. Thank you for watching and we'll see you soon in the next video.